Dear students, today we will discuss about precipitation of condensate and also we will learn iron milling method. First we can see the precipitation of condensates. So what is precipitate? It is an insoluble solid that emerges from a solution. Precipitation is used in the manufacturing of cadmium sulfide, cadmium selenide, cadmium telluride, gallium arsenide, or even the manufacturing of silicon nanocrystals. Now take an example. We can check the synthesis of cadmium sulfide. So the chemicals needed for the synthesis are, there is a precursor, the source of required material. It is cadmium acetate. You can take cadmium acetate and thioglycerol, then sodium sulfide. This sodium sulfide, it will act as a reducing agent. Also it maintains the correct pH value required. And finally we will have ethanol. It is used as a solvent. So these chemicals or the reactants, it will be injected into the water according to the protocol. Also note, in order to avoid the unwanted oxidation, the chamber will be filled with inert gases like argon or nitrogen. The whole process that should be maintained at particular temperature, and the temperature required that will depends upon the nature of reactants. There will be series of reactions and the precipitates are formed and they will be deposited within the solution. We can vaporize the excess liquid and also we can grind the material to get smooth fine nano powder or condensates. So that is the method. Now we can move on to the next topic. Next one is ball milling method or grinding with iron balls. See, through different chemical or physical methods, we can obtain bulk 3D material or bulk 3D powder as the resultant. Ball milling method, it is used to reduce the size of these particles, these bulk particles. The basic principle is just the grinding. Okay. Since we are making nanoparticles from bulk 3D powder, this method will come under the top-down approach. That is bulk material to nanoparticles, top-down approach. Okay, check the figure. This is the iron ball milling unit. It consists of a container which is filled with stainless steel balls of few millimeter in diameter, and the material to be crushed, that is to be grinded, is added in the form of a powder. And these particles will have a diameter of about 40 to 50 micrometer. In order to maintain an inert surrounding, that should be filled with inert gas. So the container is filled with liquid nitrogen. And it will also have a rotating shaft. The shaft will be rotated at very high speed. And this grinding period, it will take few hours, 4 to 5 hours. And finally, we will get fine smooth nanoparticles. So the process is very straightforward and very simple. Just the grinding only. But during the grinding with iron balls, it may contribute impurities to the nanoparticles. That is the main disadvantage. So these are some of the important questions from this session. You can note it. Okay. Thank you.